Hey, good morning everybody. It is Captain Drew Cavanaugh with Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, Mosquito Lagoon Site Fishing Charters, and Florida Nearshore Fishing Charters, located here in East Central Florida, just east of Orlando, near Daytona, New Smyrna Beach here, Ponce Inlet behind me. A few miles down the road to say, is Cocoa Beach. And today is, we're at the end of May here, getting close to Memorial Day weekend. Decided to come out here off the beaches, check out, running around, looking for some tarpon, just doing some scouting. As you can see, it's a pretty nice day. Got some fairly thick rollers is what I like to call them. They're spaced out pretty good though. Right now I'm off Ponce Inlet, just fish the jetties for a little bit, catching some snook, redfish, that kind of stuff. Saw a few tarpon. Water temperature's right around 76, 77 degrees. Inshore it's a lot warmer, close to 80. We finally had tarpon show up. They're starting to show up, migrate up the coast here. Any day now, the bait fish are going to just turn on like a light switch. And I expect for June and July just to be a rinse and repeat what it usually is every year. Typically our summer months, June, July, especially August, September, it's just out of control for fishing. It's one of the best times of the year if you ask me. You ask a lot of us around here. I like the summertime fishing because the weather's always nice. You don't get, wintertime's okay. Don't get me wrong, wintertime's nice too, but good Lord, it's blowing at 100 miles an hour every day. And at least out here, it's hot and steady. You might get afternoon showers and all that. Just gotta watch if you're scheduling a trip down here. Just watch the tropics, hurricanes, all that kind of stuff. As you can see, I'm off Ponce Inlet. We're gonna start looking for, I'm gonna take off here in a minute and go look for some jacks, some tunies, stuff like that. Run the beaches, look for some beach tarpon and all that kind of stuff. But it should be a really good summertime. I know we've all been in lockdown to say the past several weeks, which is, don't even get me started on it. Don't get a lot of us started on it. A bunch of BS if you ask me. There should have been no reason for this. We're committing economic suicide here. But what do you do, So as June gets here, our tarpon will show up in full force. July will be just phenomenal. August, just phenomenal. September, phenomenal, as long as we don't get any hurricanes or anything. And usually in the summertime, our ocean is like this. It's actually smoother than this. It can be hot. We do a lot of the inshore stuff, just inshore Ponce Inlet here. And along the bridges, the backcountry mangroves, catch a lot of inshore tarpon, snook, redfish, trout, drum, that kind of stuff. It's just a phenomenal fishery here. I mean, just look at it. It is drop dead gorgeous today. It's probably it's probably 81 degrees right now. So I think it's supposed to be a high though of 94, 95. Well, inshore, off the beaches here, it'll be nice. It'll be pretty calm. But yeah, you're wanting to book a charter and get out here and do some serious fishing. Like I said, in the summertime, off the beaches here, we'll get behind the shrimp boats, we'll run the jetty, we'll look at the jetty rather, we'll run the beaches up and down the beach here. But like I said, that's New Smyrna Beach over there. Get behind the shrimp boats, and when they dump their bycatch, you can get shark, lots of sharks. There's plenty of shark here, that's not a problem. Tarpon, barracuda, some cobia. If we're able to get off some of the artificial reefs and wrecks out there a few miles offshore, you got a whole plethora of fish there to go for. So pretty much June up till our first cold front for several months, this is it. This is the dong diddy ding 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 fishing time. I mean, it is phenomenal out here. So again, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh with Florida Inshore Fishing Charters and Mosquito Lagoon Site Fishing Charters and Florida Nearshore Fishing Charters. Again, I'm just east of Orlando by 40-45 minutes, and give me a call, book a trip. You can look at my website, email me, or give me a call, and let's go get some fish. Until then, everybody have a great day and stay safe. Thank you.